Are you struggling to find the perfect YouTube niche that actually makes money? What if there was a way to cut through the noise and pinpoint high-potential topics with ease? Today, we're diving deep into the NexLev YouTube Niche Finder, a tool promising to transform how you discover profitable YouTube niches for your automation business. YouTube automation thrives on picking the right niche, one that's not oversaturated but still has a strong audience hungry for content. And that's exactly where NexLev claims to help. But is it worth the investment? Let's break down what this tool offers and how it could change your YouTube game. NexLev's YouTube Niche Finder uses advanced data analytics to scan thousands of videos and channels. It identifies trending keywords, untapped niches, and competitor gaps that you can exploit to build a successful channel without the guesswork. Whether you're starting fresh or scaling an existing automation channel, this tool provides insights that can save you tons of time and energy. One of the best parts? You can get NexLev right now for 15% off by clicking the link in the description below. That discount could be the push you need to finally launch your profitable YouTube automation channel, armed with the right niche data. Using this niche finder, you get access to detailed stats on competition levels, estimated earnings, viewer demographics, and trending interest. This makes it easier to validate a niche before committing months or even years of work. Imagine choosing your next channel's focus with data-backed confidence rather than guesswork. Plus, NexLev makes it simple for beginners and pros alike. The interface is user-friendly, letting you filter niches by category, popularity, and monetization potential in just a few clicks. The data is updated regularly, so you're always working with fresh insights. So if you're serious about building a YouTube automation business and want to take the guesswork out of niche research, NexLev is definitely one to consider. It's not just a tool, it's like having a YouTube market analyst at your fingertips. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.